In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Windows Copilot and fix the issue where the Copilot option is missing on your Windows PC. Let's start with a quick overview of what we're trying to achieve. Copilot is the built-in AI assistant in newer versions of Windows, and it normally appears on your taskbar or can be opened with a shortcut. But sometimes, even if your system is up to date, the Copilot icon simply doesn't show up. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the key checks and settings you need to adjust so that Copilot becomes visible and usable on your device. First, make sure your Windows is actually on a supported version. Copilot is designed for recent builds of Windows 11, and in some cases, it may be rolling out gradually by region. Open your Settings app, go to Windows Update, and check for updates. Install everything that's pending, especially feature updates, and then restart your PC. This alone can often make the Copilot option appear if it was just waiting on a system update. After your system is fully updated, go back into Settings and open the Personalization section. From there, select Taskbar. This is where most people discover that Copilot is simply turned off. Look for the Copilot setting within the taskbar options. If you see a switch for Copilot, toggle it on. After a second or two, you should see the Copilot icon appear on your taskbar. If it does, you can click it to launch Copilot, or use the shortcut if Windows offers one on your build. If you don't see any Copilot option under the taskbar settings, don't worry. That usually means either the feature hasn't rolled out to your device yet, or it's being controlled by an organization policy. If you're on a work or school computer, Copilot can be disabled by your administrator, and you might not be able to enable it yourself. In that case, you would need to contact your IT support for clarification. For personal devices, double-check your region and language settings, because Copilot is released gradually in certain countries. Go to Settings, then Time and Language, and confirm your region is set to a location where new Windows features are typically available first. Once that's set, run Windows Update again to see if anything new appears. When Copilot finally shows up, test it by opening it from the taskbar and asking a simple question or performing a basic task. If it responds correctly, you're all set, and the missing Copilot issue should be resolved.